Hello friends, in today's video we will discuss about pyorrhea. What is pyorrhea? Pyorrhea is basically gum inflammation which in advanced stages causes the bone loss, and because of that there is the mobility of the teeth. Reason behind developing pyorrhea is the plaque. In very simple language, when you scrape your tooth with the fingernail, the white content which come on the nail is the plaque. Plaque is the sticky deposit which contains the bacteria, and this bacteria emits acids and toxins which are harmful to the teeth, gums and bone in our mouth. When plaque left untreated, the plaque converts into the calculus which is hard. I will show you in the pictures. This is plaque which is soft material, and this can be removed at home with the toothbrush. But when left untreated, it converts into the calculus. As we can see in this picture, this is your calculus which is very hard in structure, calcified material. Coming to the symptoms. Symptoms includes swollen gums, bleeding gums, bad breath, pain in the gums, gum recession, that means level of gum below the normal level, and in advanced stages which causes the mobility of the teeth. What is the treatment for the pyorrhea? Scaling is the treatment for the pyorrhea. Scaling means cleaning of your teeth. In advanced stages, dentists also recommend flap surgery. I will show you in the pictures. This is the picture of before the scaling. There is the lot of calculus, and after scaling you can clearly see your tooth structure which is very clean, and the gums below the calculus are very red because there is the swelling of the gums. This swelling automatically resides after some time because the reason is calculus, and this is removed in your scaling. This is also another picture. In this we can see there is a lot of calculus, and after scaling teeth surface are very clean. So this is all information about the pyorrhea. There are some myths related to the cleaning or scaling of the teeth. I will discuss that part in the next lecture.